How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. So if you are facing a problem with Messenger video call sound, then first of all open up your Messenger application. And now if you simply go and call someone, and if you're facing a problem with sound, like if you're not receiving their sound, or if you're facing some kind of problem with the sound on your call, then the first thing you need to make sure is you have a stable internet connection. So if your internet connection is not stable, or if your Wi-Fi or your data is not connected, or it may have disconnected, so in that case you might find this kind of problem. So first check your internet connection, and even after that, if it still doesn't fix, then the second thing you need to do is you have to make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So to check your app that if it is updated or not, to do that you have to open up your Play Store, and here you will have the search bar, right? Tap on that search bar and then search for Messenger, and after searching here you will have this open option right on the right side. So instead of that open option, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Messenger application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix, then you can go back and open up your settings, and you can go for apps and notifications, and then go and open up Messenger on your settings, and here go for storage and cache, and then you can tap on clear cache, and you have to clear all of the cache which is on Messenger. So after clearing the cache, you might fix that problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go for clear storage. But if you don't remember your login information, then don't tap on clear storage. So these were the few fixes, but if these fixes doesn't fix your problem, then the last fix is to uninstall the application. And after uninstalling the application, you can reinstall it from your Play Store or the App Store, and after that you can log into your Facebook or Messenger, and then you can call someone. So that's it. That's how you fix your sound problem on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.